Hey there! So, picture this scenario. You're on a road trip to visit your parents, and you're relying on your trusty Maps app to guide you. But the problem arises when your phone keeps directing you down muddy dirt roads instead of the nice, paved routes. Not exactly ideal, especially when it's raining and you just want a smooth journey without any off-roading adventures. Now, let's delve into the solution to this dirt road dilemma. Unfortunately, in Apple Maps, there isn't a specific setting to avoid unpaved roads like you can with highways. The routing preferences are geared towards speed optimization, which can sometimes lead to these unexpected dirt road detours. One workaround could be to look for the fewer turns option when mapping your route, but ultimately, you might have to get a bit creative. For instance, tricking the calculation by setting your destination to be on the paved road could help steer you clear of those messy mud paths. In summary, while Apple Maps may not have a direct solution to avoiding dirt roads, there are some tricks you can try to stay on the paved path. So next time you're planning a trip, keep these tips in mind to ensure a smoother and more predictable journey. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Who knows, your witty remark might just end up in the next video.